This video Tok Pisin version blo how by you fold the Meri Blouse. Basic style fold when me so make him. I mean working on the English version blan finish, so you can go back and look him. But this Tok Pisin version blo how you can fold him Meri Blouse. Example you use him now on the A4 paper. So use him A4 paper or some example blo fabric or material belum you pamitlah fold him this paper how you can actually fold him through Meri Blouse. Okay, this long belong long plus side. Now this plus side short plus side. A different Meri Blouse all got all material fabric all got different measurements. Na this side too, and normally also come no rolls na up to 50-60 meters, but time you cut him short plan you can see come lo sum up. So lo here this short plus side, this long plus side. Now by me fold, so how me shall fold long by me show you now by you can fold. Number one, you fold awesome. Okay, you look it. Okay, number two time you fold again, you fold on here, you go in up lo mark lo just up one on top straight, same line, you straighten. Okay, this and by you cut him na rouse him. Okay, cut him straight long here. So you looking by me cut him awesome. This you don't need him. Okay, now time you open him up, but you probably look awesome kind. Now long here now by me fold him and na cut him neck. So you look him in long plan now. Long here you him some measurement or some come down 10 to 12 inches, or long here normally 30 to 42 inches depend long pla size you like welcome. Okay, let me fold him long here. You look him, fold, you cut him. Okay, now you got one short piece and a long piece. Now by you cut him one lick piece the neck. So you may cut him the short plus side. You can also cut him the long plus side depending. But long this example by me cut him the short plus side. You cut him awesome. This short by me use him long run him long neck. Time you may join him or pieces lo cut him. Okay, you look him and now fold them also kind. Now them awesome kind, you put him to the same side one time, one pla antap lo nar pla na bayu mi katim. So this pla up. Mi katim. Okay. Cut him click this pla off, open him up. So long short plus side below me. Time open him cut below me, but me got this pla to plus shape. Okay, long plus side, you got this top, but you need to open him up. This pla fold. So one minute open him up. Time you open him, but you got this pla envelope body. So one pla front, one pla back side. Na envelope on. One pla left side, one pla right side. So time you finish by this pla, around him neck or same. This pla brushing down old same. This plus side brushing down old same. Me put him good now. You can look him. And now, suppose you watch going up the finish lang by look him go through. Okay. Alright, this pla bago anta po sem. And now, this pla bago anta all sem. This plus side long here, but fold come here. This plus side by fold come here. By some up this la around him neck. So around him also go talo here na kamanta. So basic idea long you fold him na cut the Meri Blouse long you. Thank you lo watching video belum imply. You can like him video, subscribe. Na suppose you like him sample kain more style, you can comment na ba mi produce him sample more video. Thank you.